Welcome to the very first episode of the Denver UXer YouTube channel and podcast. I am your host, the Denver UXer Doug Collins, and I am here to say that I don't know. This guy doesn't know. Yeah. Well, this is due to a couple of different things going on. The first thing is the Dunning-Kruger effect, which is a two-part cognitive bias. The first part states that if you're bad at something, you don't know how bad at it you really are because you don't know enough to know how good you would have to be in order to be good at it. So, you think that you're great. Can anyone out there think of any stable geniuses that might fit this bill? The second part says that if you're good at something, you don't realize how good at it you are because you think if it's easy for you, it must be easy for everybody else. I'm not saying my job is easy, I'm just saying that I'm comfortable enough with it and it kind of unsettles me from time to time. The second part of things is called Impostor Syndrome, which is where you believe that you faked your way into a job, that you're faking your way through it, and that someday you'll be found out and exposed for the fraud that you really are and fired. To combat this, I try and learn something new every day. Here are my 4 favorite resources that I go to online to learn something new about user experience.
The UX Mastery community is the very first place I went when I got my feet wet with UX. And I'm not alone. This community is full of new UX professionals, but also has quite a few experienced UX designers there. I would recommend you take a visit and look through all the different threads that are there because there's a lot of good information. People are asking and answering questions. Whether you're new, whether you're experienced, this is an excellent community, probably the best online community that you can visit to learn more about user experience. Joe Natoli is a UX coach and professional who has been at it for, I think, over 19 years at this point. Joe is an excellent source of knowledge. He is on Twitter at Joe Natoli, and his website, givegoodux.com, hosts his blog and his podcasts. ux.stackexchange.com is an excellent place to ask and answer questions, and also take a look and see if anybody's had similar issues to what you've gone through. It's a wonderful place because it's established, again, both by experienced pros and new UXers. There's wonderful case studies here on just about anything you could probably want to know about, so I definitely recommend giving it a look, asking a question, and seeing maybe if you can answer one as well. Last, the UX Chat hashtag, run by @WhatUsersDo on Twitter. This takes place every Thursday at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Next one is going to be with Karen Bachman, who is a wonderful UX professional that has participated in these UX chats in the past. They're always themed discussions about particular issues with 3 questions run over the course of an hour. I've run one of these in the past on UX niches, and they're always interesting discussions.
Fortunately, there are more than 4 great places to learn something new about user experience online. I know, shocker. I have linked to my favorite places on my website down in the description, and I want to hear what your favorite places are to go to learn something new, so leave me a comment and let me know. Of course, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your time today, whoever you are, wherever you might be. Thank you so much for watching. Have an excellent user experience.